This is the eSynic air wedge bags, and I just wanted to show them to you real quick so you can get a good idea of what they are. So you get 4 of them, and you have this high durability material here, and a little on-off switch, and you just pump it up, and that allows you to be able to level, for me, it's cabinets, right? So you get 4 of these, and it also comes with these 8 wedges. So the very simple idea here is that you just have your cabinet, and you have either a laser line or a level, and you're able to pump up and get the exact measurement you want so you can get your cabinet level and then place it on the wall or wherever you're putting it. And then once you have it in place, you just release the pressure and it goes back, slides right out. Pretty awesome.